In this video, I'll show you how to make money online with a real new method where you can make $2,560 as a bonus along with the method. So you'll be making money and at the same time making a bonus of 2.5k. You might be wondering, well, how much is the initial amount I can actually make? Well, you're about to find out if you watch this video until the end. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. Me and my team, I have 2 video editors and we try to upload from 3 to 5 videos every single day. That's 25 videos a week, 100 a month. And the reason is we don't want you to see any BS tutorials online. They're very long. People, taking 20-30 minutes just to explain you and to you how a method works. We try to compress this knowledge into a few minute work videos, like 2-3 minutes, so you can easily understand whether or not this method fits your needs. So if you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video because it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, because it's a really hard battle place to be competing in with other make money online YouTubers. And we also want to take over the niche. And also there's a riddle in the first comment down below. Try to guess it. It's a community thing and I'm really curious to see how many people will guess the right answer. And also I can shout you out in one of the next videos. So all you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account, or just take it or put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, are you ready to see what the website is? It's a website that will help people create Facebook ads. And no, it's a free method. You don't have to spend any money to make money with this method. You can help people create just like this one and make money without actually doing any of that creation. I'll explain to you how it works, but first let me know in the comment section what country are you from, because I'm really curious to see where the majority of the viewers are. So videos that convert, let's go down below, and you can see that with this website you can automatically make cool ads just like this one. And the website is promo.com. Here it is. Tell you how you can make money with it. What you need to do is go down below where it says company and go on this option, the pricing. You gotta know kind of what the prices are. You won't have to do anything, you won't have to buy it. And you can say that people are going to be billed up to 219 euros a month, or 59 euros, that's like 66 bucks per month, right? $66. What you'll be making money from is being an affiliate. And hold on, I'll tell you how you can actually drive the traffic. You go on the affiliate here and you can become an affiliate, and it's a very simple process. You become a promoter, help businesses grow, share your link, and earn up to 30% commission. So if you're making 30% on $66, that's actually $19.80. 20 bucks, and it's recurring per month. So if you get 100 people to sign up and each of them signs up, you could be making $1,980 per month, in addition to what I'm about to show you. You can also track your program, earn stuff. So you just click on join now and you sign up. I don't want to bother you with that because you can sign up, it's really simple, promo.com. So the way you drive the traffic is, all you need is a phone first, and don't stress yourself, it's very simple. You just need a phone, you need to create simple videos, right? There's a lot of videos online here that talk about it. You want to make a video on how to create a Facebook ad, but not just that, Facebook ads, and try to do one of this, for example, for real estate. And I can tell you, for real estate, you could be making $20-30 per 1,000 views just from the AdSense revenue, or the money YouTube will pay you. For my example, I started YouTube and I struggled to grow, but right now I'm making like $20 a day, and I made 2.5k in YouTube revenue, in addition to the affiliate sales I'm getting for products just like this one, that I leave a link in my description down below, or something else. And if you see this person, if he's making, let's say, $20 per view, he probably made $320 just from the AdSense revenue. If from these 16,000 people that viewed the video, 1%, just 1% of them sign up, that would be 160 sales, where you could be making $19.80 from. So that's $3 grand a month that you could be making or you're losing on if you're not doing it right now. And this snowballs, because this month you can get 3 grand in recurring income from one video. Then you can make 10, 100 videos just like me and multiply that income. If this video helped you out, if you like this method, make sure you give it a like. If you appreciate me, you can hear my laptop overheating from recording so many videos. Give it a like. It really helps me out. And remember, this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, yada yada yada. By the end of this video, remember that video day keeps the doctor rate. Check this one or this one. One of these two videos. Now, check them now. Bye.